Creating a load in Central Dispatch just got easier. Whether you want to post to the load board or directly assign to a carrier, we have a simple, easy-to-use flow. The carrier scorecard is viewable when creating a load, making it simple to vet carriers and assign loads all from one place. From your Ship Vehicles tab, click on Create Load. From the Create Load page, you can post to the load board, or if you've already selected a carrier you want to use, you can assign it directly to the carrier. You're also able to toggle back and forth without losing any data. Let's start by looking at the Assign to a Carrier tab. The first step is to enter the carrier's name. Carriers will display with carriers marked as preferred on the top of your list. After selecting the carrier, a slide-out form displays with the carrier scorecard to review carrier FMCSA data, performance data, and a summary of any warnings associated with the carrier, all without ever leaving the page. Enter your load information, and click Assign Load. After assigning to the carrier, the load is available to modify dispatch, cancel, or edit any documents from the dispatch sheet or from the Assign Loads page. Let's go back to the Create Load page and look at how to post the load to the load board and also enter data. Pickup and delivery can be populated from your address book if it is saved, or you can enter an address and very easily save it to your address book right from here. Next, you want to enter your vehicle information. Choose your trailer type. If you have the VIN, you can enter the VIN. If not, you can enter the year, make, and model of the vehicle. If you do enter the VIN, it will be hidden from the carrier until the dispatch is accepted by the carrier. Enter in any notes, operability, and if oversized, and you can even check price right from the same page. Enter in your dates and your pricing information. The expiration date is set to 30 days from the creation date and will be archived at that point. Enter in any additional info, your contract info, and click here to request your carrier to use the CD mobile app so you're able to receive vehicle inspections and track the status of your load. And then post to the load board. After posting the load, it'll be available on your Manage Listings page, and you can assign it, modify it, or many other actions to the listing. We hope you're excited to try out the new simplified workflow for creating a load and the carrier scorecard.